In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and view a video with a read node in Nuke. We'll start by bringing your footage into the project. The quickest way is to press R on your keyboard. If you prefer menus, you can go to the image menu and choose read. Both methods do the same thing. They open the file browser and tell Nuke you want to create a read node, which is the node responsible for referencing external media. Think of the read node as a link to your video on disk rather than a copy. It keeps projects light and makes updating sources straightforward. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the folder that holds your video. You can select common formats like .mov or .mp4. If you're working with image sequences, those are supported too, but for now, choose a single video file to keep things simple. A helpful tip: keep your project and media organized in clearly named folders so paths remain consistent if you move the project between machines. If a preview is available, take a quick look. To confirm you've selected the correct clip, then proceed. Click Open to confirm your choice. Nuke will immediately create a read node in the node graph. You'll see the node labeled with your file name, and it will carry metadata such as the clip's frame range and resolution. Because this node is just a reference, any change you make to the file location would break the link, so it's best not to rename or move the media once it's read in. If you ever notice a missing media warning, it usually means the file path has changed. To see your footage, connect the read node to a viewer. Select the read node and press 1 to pipe it into viewer 1. If you prefer a second viewer, press 2, which is handy for side-by-side comparisons later. You should now see your video in the viewer panel. If the viewer appears blank, make sure the read node is selected before pressing 1 or 2 and check that your playhead is within the clip's frame range. Scrubbing the timeline at the bottom is a quick way to confirm the footage is accessible and playing correctly. That's all there is to it. Open the read dialog, choose your video and connect it to a viewer. With your media visible, you're ready to move on to compositing, color adjustments, or whatever comes next in your workflow.